Hello everyone. So today we are going to do the lesson number 4. Let's do it. Lesson number 4 is quel sport préférez-vous? Quel sport préférez-vous stands for which sports do you prefer? So let's see first the translation of it and then followed by activities and exercises. Let's go. First line. Bonjour, good morning. Je m'appelle Muriel. My name is Muriel. J'habite en France. I live in France. Les Français aiment bien faire du sport. The French like do sports much, very much. Et moi aussi, and me too. Quand il neige ici, when it snows here, on fait un bonhomme de neige. We make snowman. Les gens aiment aussi faire de la voile. The people also like to do surfing et du rafting dans la rivière and rafting in the river. J'adore les montagnes. I like mountains. J'aime beaucoup faire des randonnées dans les Alpes. I like to do trekking in the Alps. J'aime aussi aller au bord de la mer. I also like to go on the sea coast pour jouer au volley avec mes amis. To play volleyball with my friends. La France, est intéressante, is interesting. On peut y pratiquer, we can practice here. Beaucoup de sport, lot of sports. This is the first paragraph about Miriel. Now second paragraph about Rehana. Bonjour, good morning. Je m'appelle Rehana. My name is Rehana. J'habite en Inde. I live in India. Les Indiens aiment beaucoup jouer au cricket. The Indians like to play cricket a lot. Le matin in the morning, les gens vont au parc. The people go to the park ou dans une salle de gym or in the gym. Ils font du jogging, they do jogging, de aerobics et de la gymnastique and the gymnastic pour être en bonne santé, to be in good health. L'Inde est un très beau pays. India is a very beautiful country. Ici, here, on peut y faire, we can do des photos, we can do photography. Il y a de belles plages à Goa. There are beautiful beaches at Goa où je veux faire un pique-nique, where I can do picnic. J'aime bien jouer de la guitare. I like to play guitar well, very much. Quand mes amis chantent, when my friends sing. J'aime beaucoup d'Inde. I love India a lot. Moving ahead with the activities, let's do activities here. Réponds, answer, activité 1, activity number 1. First question, où est Rihanna? Where is Rihanna? Answer is Rihanna est en Inde. Rihanna is in India. Question number 2. Que fait Rihanna quand ses amis chantent? What Rihanna does when her friends sing? Rihanna joue de la guitare. Rihanna plays guitar quand ses amis chantent, when her friends sing. Question number 3. Que fait Muriel dans les montagnes? What does Muriel do in the mountains? Muriel fait des randonnées. Muriel does trekking dans les Alpes, in the Alps. Qu'est-ce que les gens aiment faire en France? What do the people like to do in France? Les gens aiment bien faire du sport en France. The people like to practice sports a lot in France. Est-ce qu'il y a des plages à Goa? Are there beaches in Goa? Answer is yes. Oui, il y a des plages à Goa. There are beaches in Goa. Le matin, in the morning, que font les gens en Inde? In the morning, what do the people in India do? Le matin, in the morning, les gens vont au parc. The people go to the park. Ou, or, dans une salle de gym, or in the gym. Que fait-on quand il neige? What do we do when it snows? On fait un bonhomme de neige. We make snowman quand il neige, when it snows. Last question. Où Rihanna veut-elle se faire au pique-nique? Where Rihanna wants to do picnic. It's a Rihanna veut faire un pique-nique. Rihanna wants to do picnic at Goa, in Goa. Right? So after that, students, we have a little explanation of sports and activities and where to use faire the, jouer à, and jouer de. So for this, I want to tell you that jouer de is used for musical instruments. First two categories like this, jouer de. This one, last one is used for musical instruments. And games to say football, hockey, chess, cards, will be using jouer à accent. It can be further to jouer au, jouer à la, jouer au, etc. And faire the will be used for the activities as skiing, cycling, swimming, dance, yoga, etc. I'll use faire though. Alright, so based on this, we have to do one activity over here. Let's do this. This is activity number 2. Complete avec. Complete with faire the, jouer à, jouer the. With these three verbs, we have to complete the blank. First one, il dash gymnastic. So gymnastic come under the category of activity. So it will be faire the. So faire the will be further conjugated. Il fait de la gymnastique. Second, nous dash piano. So piano is a musical instrument, so it will be nous jouons du piano. Question number 3, vous jouez au cricket because cricket is a game. Question number 4, tu photo. Taking photographs, doing photography is an activity, so tu fais des photos. Photo is plural, so the yes. Question number 5, ils font de l'équitation. L'équitation means horse riding. Is an activity, so it will be font de l'équitation. Question number 6, elle dash violon, violin, joue du violon, musical instrument. Question number 7, je dash football, football is a game, so joue au football. Question number 8, dash voile, so surfing, so elle fait du voile, right? After that, we have activity number 3. Students, écris un petit paragraph. Write a small paragraph en décrivant, describing les sports que tu pratiques, the sports which you practice. Okay, it is over here. What are the sports? Let's check. Les sports sont très intéressants. The sports are very interesting. J'aime beaucoup les sports. I like sports a lot. Je joue au cricket et au football. I play cricket and football. Je fais aussi de la natation. I also do swimming et de l'aerobic and aerobics. Je joue du piano. I play piano. J'apprends le piano. I'm learning piano. And then here we have little down savoir and connaître verb conjugation. So students, savoir and connaître both means to know, but savoir is used for facts information, to know a fact or information, whereas connaître is used for to knowing a person, to know a person, place or thing. So suppose I say I know a person, I'll use connaître instead of savoir. Suppose I know an information or fact, I'll use savoir, not connaître. Like I know how to cook. So I'll say je sais cuisiner. But if I have to say I know Mr. Sham, so it will be je connais Monsieur Sham, right? Let's do the activity based on this savoir and connaître verb conjugation. Activity number 4. And it's written here, complete avec savoir ou connaître, complete with savoir or connaître. Let's do. First question, tu dash comment parler français. How to speak French is a fact information category. So it will be savoir verb conjugation. According to tu, it is SAIS. Tu sais comment parler français. You have to learn savoir and connaître verb conjugation to fill rightly the conjugation. Nous, ce restaurant, oui, this restaurant is a place, nous connaissons. Vous, cette chanteuse, this singer is a person, connaissez. Il, faire de la natation, to do swimming is art information category. So fact information category, so it will be savoir, sav. Question number 5, je dash cet acteur, this actor is a person, so connaît. Il dash le nom de mon père, the name of my father is a fact information category, so savoir, c'est. Do take a note, students, that for if I say I know his father is connaître, but if I say I know the name of his father, it will be savoir, right? All right. Question number 7. Paris. Paris is a city, is a place. So connaître, connaît. On il and L we put I circumflex accent that you have to take care of. Il dash bien se paye. Pay means country. He knows this country very well, so it is again a place. It will be connaît, right? And now this one is true la bonne réponse. This is comparatively easy. Activity number 5. This is comment est ta maison. So you have to find ta maison est grande. Let's do 1, 2 here. Où habite ton oncle? Where lives? Where does your uncle live? So you have to find uncle 1. Il habite à Nice. He lives in Nice. Il habite à Nice. He lives in Nice. One more. Pourquoi mets-tu un pull? Why are you putting a pull? Pull means sweater. A pullover. So we have to check. So parce que j'ai froid, because I'm feeling cold. Likewise, you have to do all this exercises You have to understand the question. Similarly, you can answer it. Let's try quickly the questions. Combien d'étudiants y a-t-il dans la classe? How many students are there in the class? You have to find the number one. Qui joue au jardin? Who are playing in the garden? So les gens qui jouent au jardin. Comment tu? What are you eating? So je mange les crêpes. I'm eating pancakes. Pourquoi pleut-il? Why is it raining? Because parce que c'est l'automne. Because it's autumn. Quand vas-tu au cinéma? Why are you going to cinema? Je vais au cinéma. When do you go to cinema? So je vais au cinéma le dimanche. I go to cinema on Sunday. Pourquoi vas-tu chez le médecin? Why are you going to the doctor? Parce que j'ai mal à la tête. Because I have headache. Right? So this is done, students, and moving on to the exercises. The first exercise is write savoir and connaître verb conjugation. As I indicated earlier that you have to learn the conjugation of savoir and connaître verb. I read it once. What is it? Savoir goes like je sais, tu sais, il sait, elle sait, say. You have to say for this left side. Nous savons, vous savez, ils savent, elles savent. Ça va? Connaître na. Je connais, tu connais, il connaît, elle connaît. So all connaît. You have to do. Here, nous connaissons, vous connaissez, ils connaissent, elles connaissent. Right? Question number 2. We have to use with fill the blanks with savoir or connaître verb conjugation. So same activity which we practiced earlier. Tu sais comment elle s'appelle. You know what is her name. Nous, bien la France, we know the France well. So nous connaissons. Vous, mon professeur de français, my French teacher, so vous connaissez, connaître verb. Il joue au foot, playing football is fact information. So savent, savoir, savent, savent. Je dash fais une omelette. I know how to make an omelette. So say SAIS. No dash we know the salle de classe. We know where is our classroom. So it will be savons, savoir. Il connaît ce cinéma. He knows this cinema theater. Cinema stands for cinema theater, cinema hall. So connaître. Cinema theater is a place. Question number 8. Je connais cette femme indienne. I know this Indian lady. So connaître verb. Nous connaissons sa nouvelle maison. We know his new house. So house is a place. So connaissons. Je dash le nom de son ami. The name of his friend. So savoir. SAIS. The last exercise is about jouer à, jouer de, faire de. Mon cousin joue de la trompette. Trompette is a musical instrument, so jouer de. Nous faisions de la randonnée ce weekend. Right, we are doing trekking on this weekend. Il joue de la flûte. He is playing football. Oh, sorry, flute is flute. They are playing flute. So jouer de la because it's a musical instrument. Tu aimes jouer au tennis? Do you like playing tennis? Jouer au because tennis is a sports and games category. Games, in fact. Tennis is a word which goes in faire de and jouer à both. So if you use here faire de, that is also not wrong. Elle fait du roller. Elle fait du roller. Roller is skating. So an activity. Je joue du violon. I'm playing violin. Il fait du cheval. He's doing horse riding. Is an activity. Nous jouons au foot. We are playing football. Jouons au for games. Tu fais de la voile. Doing surfing is an activity. Fait de. Sait-il faire du ski? Does he know skiing? And is an activity. Faire de. Tu aimes faire du volleyball. There you can write even jouer ou. I must write jouer. More like it goes with jouer au volley. Let's cross this. You do this. Jouer au volley. Nous faisons du jogging. Jogging is an activity. So students, this is the activity. I mean exercise based on jouer à, jouer de, and faire de. Jouer à is used for the games. Jouer de is used for musical instruments. And faire de is used for the activities which I did the explanation earlier. So this is the explanation of lesson number 4. Students, in this we talked about savoir and connaître verb conjugation, jouer à, jouer de, faire de, etc. So this much for lesson number 4. Au revoir. Merci.